Fred, what do you think of Banimam? What do you think of the condo?
I love it. I've been here 2 months and I've got 4 to go. Probably re-up.
What'd you pay her a month, if you don't mind saying?
I'm paying 10,000.
10,000 baht, which is what, around about $275.
Yeah.
So about £250,
Yeah.
somewhere in that region.
Yeah.
One of the most common questions I get asked about Thailand is how much accommodation will cost. And for most people, this is going to be your biggest expense. And in Thailand, you can pay anything. You can pay 5,000 baht all the way up to thousands of dollars. And 5,000 baht is £110 per month. I've heard of some people getting a condo or a cheap room for that for a monthly rate. Now, you will always get what you pay for. So if you try and go too cheap, then you're probably going to end up cutting back on quality. Maybe it's going to be noisier. Maybe it's going to be less comfortable. Maybe it'll be a bit dirtier. Maybe it won't have the facilities or the location. You will get what you pay for. You can still get a lot for your money and still get nice places, and in my experience I've been able to, for somewhere in the region of about £300 to £350 or $400, or maybe even a little bit less if you just get lucky and you get a bit of a good deal. These 2 condos that I'm about to show you, 3 hours south of Bangkok in Hua Hin, are what I'd call around average price for Thailand once you get out of the big obvious tourist hotspots like Phuket, Koh Samui, Bangkok, etc. The second out of the 2 condos I'm going to show you, I would say this is probably my favorite condo. Now, my first condo, called Banimam, was around about 10 minutes out the center south of Hua Hin center, and this was in a place called Khao Takia, literally a 5-10 minute ride into the center of Hua Hin. And I booked this through Airbnb, so I paid a little bit more than maybe what I should have, or maybe what I would have got for my money if I would have booked 6 months in advance. And the place was nice. People are paying in between 8 and 12,000 baht per month, which is somewhere in the region of, say, 200 to 220 pounds. So let me show you around. For that price, you get Wi-Fi, you get aircon, you get TV. It's not a smart TV. My next place does have a smart TV. This one isn't. If you're listening, host, fix it up, because it would have been nice to watch that rather than watch my phone or laptop. You get a big bed, you get kitchenette, big freezer, big fridge freezer should I say, and you get your own bathroom as well. One thing that is worth noting, you do have to pay an additional cost for laundry and washing as well. That's not always the case. If you want this place cleaned and you want a cleaner to come in, do your bed, clean the place and do the towels and sheets, then that will be an additional cost. So the studio room was spacious. It had a desk, it had a nice big bed, it had a TV, it had a kitchenette with a hob, a big fridge freezer, all the utensils that you might need. It had a small balcony where you could hang some clothes out to just wash, or to wash or to dry if you've been in the sea or been out training. And then it had a little bathroom as well. Nothing was special about it, but it was very comfy, it was nice and quiet, and I definitely felt like I was content for the money I paid for it. Now, downstairs there's a nice pool that is well maintained, it's always clean. It's not huge, it's a nice enough pool. And then we've got some stairs up to the condo gym, which again is very rarely busy. And we've got some cardio machines, and then a bench and some free weights at the end. To go from £5 all the way up to £50, or 2.5 kilo all the way up to 25 kilo, which is a good range. We've got the bench here, and yeah, it's a pretty decent space considering it's just a small condo. So everything you needed to get in, a simple basic workout and keep yourself ticking over. It was good, it was all around good. It just wasn't 10 out of 10. Fred, what do you think of Banimam? What do you think of the condo?
I love it. I've been here 2 months and I've got 4 to go. Probably re-up.
What'd you pay her a month, if you don't mind saying?
I'm paying 10,000.
10,000 baht, which is what, around about $275.
Yeah.
So about £250,
Yeah.
somewhere in that region.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's a great location. There's no traffic here,
a little bit out of town.
and you can easily go anywhere with the bot bus right here.
Now, let's go to the second condo. This was my favorite condo I've stayed in Thailand, hands down. It's a perfect location, the facilities are good. So I'll show you the apartment first and then I will show you the rest of the facilities.
First impressions of the new gaff are very good. I had a nice little gesture, a couple of Pepsis, some snacks, some waters, and tops. Don't know what they are. I thought they were Twixes, but they're not. And then freezer, nice little kitchen area, chair, seat, nice bed, smart TV, I believe, little desk seating area, and then I really like this, which I haven't had for a while, is a fly door, so I can have that open. I mean, it's not the best view, no, but aircon above there, which is nice. The room's really cool. And then we have got some seating outside on the balcony, which is nice again. You can separate this, so if you're cooking, you slide this across, keep that separate. Separate, nice closing door on the shower. Power shower. Boom.
You've got the lobby, the gardens, everything was well maintained to a hotel type standard. But the thing I liked about this place the most was the facilities, and in particular was the pool. Now the condo did have a gym. Get any footage of it. It also had a very nice lobby, had a good coffee machine. I know they only seem like small details, but I missed them out. I didn't film them. So instead you get to see this little panoramic shot on the drone of the sun instead. But let me show you the pool of this condo. And by the way, the name is La Casita. But now for the best bit, it stretched the whole length of the condo, going in between all of the apartments from one side to the other, and then the apartments kind of hugged it all the way around. You had the sun beaming down on it for most of the day coming from above. It was super clean. It's honestly one of the nicest swimming pools I've ever swam in. And it was super clean, well maintained. You had seating all around it. The gardens surrounding it were really nice. You had some jacuzzi blaster things at one part of the pool, which you could go and sit in. So tell me then, what do you think of these two apartments? Have you found better? Would you stay in these apartments, and would you pay this for these apartments? Let me know in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.